BTS Batangas, BTS Batangas, this is Motor Vessel Precision, call sign 3 Foxtrot Echo Delta 3, calling on channel 16. Motor Vessel Precision, this is Batangas BTS, we copy, switch to channel 12 over. BTS Batangas, this is Motor Vessel Precision, call sign 3 Foxtrot Echo Delta 3, requesting permission to enter Batangas Port Terminal. Our ETA is 0300 hours, October 302023. Drop is 1.2.3 meters. We have a 3-4 person on board. Gross tonnage is 23.210 metric tons. Our cargo is 12.304 metric tons of iron ore. We have a small quantity of dangerous cargo on board. 2.5 liters of IMDG Class 3 over. Motor Vessel Precision, this is Batangas BTS. We acknowledge your request. Can you confirm nature of your IMDG Class 3 cargo and its exact location on board? Also, please confirm your current position over. BTS Batangas, this is Motor Vessel Precision. The IMDG Class 3 cargo is 2.5 liters of flammable liquid, especially a stone. It's a proper stowed and secured in a designated locker within the ship's designated dangerous goods storage area. As per our dangerous goods manifest, our current position is latitude 15 degree 14.3 north, longitude 117 degree 20.2 east. Over. Motor Vessel Precision, this is Batangas BTS. Permission granted to enter Batangas Port Terminal. Subject to the condition that you maintain a speed not exceeded 5 knots within the harbor limits. A pilot will board you at buoy number 4. We advise you to monitor BHF Channel 16 for further instruction. From the Harbor Master, confirm your understanding over. BTS Batangas, this is Motor Vessel Precision, understood. Will maintain a speed not extending 5 knots within harbor limits. Acknowledge pilot boarding location at buoy number 4. Will monitor BHF Channel 16 over.